12 soft gel 2.3 ounce food color Chefmaster set. This soft gel paste set tied with its sister set and ended up as number 4 through no fault of its own. It is almost equal to the other set in every way. The only reason we chose the other set with its smaller containers over this one is that the other set included flesh tone, and that is a nearly impossible color to find. One of the nice things about this soft gel paste set is that it comes with a color mixing wheel to make customizing your colors even easier. Like the 3/4 ounce color set above, this set has a few harder to find colors, as well as some no kitchen should be without. First off, we have sky blue and royal blue. Between these two food colors, you can mix nearly infinite varieties of blues for flowers. There's violet, leaf green, lemon yellow, sunset orange, Buckeye Brown, and coal black as well. All of these colors are included in the 3/4 ounce kit we chose as number 3 on our list. Unlike the other set, this one includes more red tone food coloring. There is a vibrant red, Christmas red, baker's rose, and burgundy wine. Our personal favorite was the burgundy wine. Only a few drops made the most amazing shade of buttercream icing we ever saw. This is truly the best food coloring for buttercream icing. The soft gel paste food colors available in this kit are all super high quality. We loved that the larger size of the bottles meant we had a lot more product to work with. Chefmaster colors are not quite as intense as AmeriColor food colors, so it should be noted that you may need to use another drop or two if you are after a very rich color. Here are some pros. Vegan, kosher, made in the USA, drop or top. Cons: some taste.